Hi guys, Assalamualaikum, Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, it seems like nearly every other day there's something new going viral on social media. Sometimes it's a new hairstyling idea, other times it's a new skincare method, then other times it's a cute makeup hack that we are totally into. If you spend enough time on the social media app, you may have heard about the cold girl makeup trend. But what exactly is it? What is the cold girl makeup trend? The cold girl makeup trend is exactly what it sounds like. The goal is to look flushed with a hint of sparkle as if you were on the hills full of snow. Today I am going to create the cold girl makeup look so that you can do it easily. How to create the cold girl makeup look? To create this cold girl makeup look, you can follow these steps. Start by prepping your skin with a moisturizer and primer to create a smooth canvas for your makeup. I'm going to be using my new Tatcha the Dewy Skin Cream. This moisturizer feels so incredibly smooth and light when worn. I absolutely love the way it makes my skin feel. I really love this cream. If you want, I will give a detailed review after using it. For this makeup look, you need nice hydrating sunscreens, ideally with creamy or heavier consistency that can retain the moisture well on your skin while providing long-lasting protection with high SPF and broad spectrum. This Laneige Watery Sun Cream SPF 50 Plus works really well. This sunscreen offers a layer of moisture on the skin while also giving UV protection. For my eyes, I'm using my favorite Clinique All About Eyes eye cream. Anyways, next I'm going to apply this Pixie Beauty's Vitamin C Perfector. It will give my skin a smooth and silky finish. Use a foundation or concealer on your face to even out your skin tone and cover any blemishes. I'm going to be using one of my favorite foundations, Shiseido Synchro Skin Glow Luminizing Fluid Foundation. It's very lightweight and gives a soft dewy finish that I need for this look. I'm taking a small amount of foundation. Now I am applying the concealer and again using my favorite concealer, Forever Skin Correct Concealer from Dior. This concealer has a creamy and hydrating formula and great coverage, so I am taking just a little quantity. I'm not going to contour my face, but I'm taking a little bit of bronzer cream from my Huda Beauty Tender Bronzer Cream and lightly applying it on my nose. Very lightly, and then on the eye sockets for giving them some definition. Always keep your eyebrows natural. I'm filling my brows with a brow pencil and will set them with eyebrow gel. I'm using my Benefit pencil and gel. Apply a cool toned eyeshadow to your eyelids using shades of blue, purple or silver. I am using this nude brown shade from my Huda Beauty palette and applying on the sockets and then on the lids as well. Now I am taking this pearly white silver shade from the palette. I am taking the shadow on my finger and applying it on the lids and blending it with my finger as well. I am using this grey eyeliner pencil from Kiro Beauty and applying a smudging wing line and then in my tight lines as well. Apply just a single coat of mascara. I am curling my lashes with my Shiseido curler and applying a single coat of mascara. I am using this Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal. Use a cool toned blush to add definition to your cheeks. You have to generously apply your favorite cool toned pink blush to the apples of your cheeks, moving up to the high points of your cheekbones. I'm going to use my new Shiseido Minimalist Whipped Powder Blush. The shade is 02 Chiyoko, which is a beautiful cool toned pink color. However, if you don't happen to have a cool toned pink, don't worry. Just use your go-to blush instead. Make sure you apply your blush to your nose with an emphasis on the tip. This technique really embodies what it looks like when you are outside in the cold. Apply some translucent powder to set your face. I'm using my favorite setting powder from Airspun to set my face and then dusting away the excess powder from a fluffy brush. Apply shimmer. Apply a silver highlighter. Add a silvery highlight to all the high points of your face. I'll use this illuminated highlighter from the Body Shop and use this silver shade. I'm applying it on the arches of my brow bones, my cheekbones, the inner corners of the eyes, and my personal favorite down the bridge and tip of my nose. The silver shimmer adds the same nostalgic effect of snowflakes when the light hits just right. Apply lip color. Last but not least, a signature part of being a cold girl is having that just beaten lip. A great way to create this is by applying your favorite lip stain in the center of your lips. But red or berry toned lipstick will work just as well. I'm using this Body Shop matte liquid lipstick. Focus the lipstick on the center of my lips and diffuse the edges with my finger like this. Now taking a little bit of pink shade from a pink lipstick from K Beauty and patting lightly on my lips. The cherry on top will be applying your favorite silver shimmer gloss to make everything cohesive. The frozen white will make your lips pop. I'm taking the silver highlighter on my finger and applying it on the cupid bow of the lip. Finally, I will set everything with Pixie Hydrating Milky Mist. And I'm done. So guys, this is my finished look. As you must have seen, it's so easy and simple, so you can create this look without any effort. In this whole winter, you can try this makeup look at any time. I hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.